मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारान राजीनामा दिल्या उपरांत सगळे मंत्रिमंडळ साहजिकच बरखास्त जाता. नव्या मुख्यमंत्र्याबरोबर सगळ्या मंत्र्यांनी नव्यान सोपूत घेवचो पडटलो. पर्रीकारान राजीनामो दिल्या उपरांत मंत्रिमंडळात रिती सुवात जाल्ल्यान एक नवो मंत्री जावं येता. मंत्र्यांच्या खात्यातय बदल जावं येता. गृह, अर्थ, मायनिंग आनी नगर नियोजन खाती कोणाक मेळटात ती पळोवची पडटली.
With the resignation of the Chief Minister, the entire cabinet goes. The new Chief Minister shall have absolute discretion in choosing his new cabinet. It shall be a new government. But it is expected that the new government shall have almost the same faces, except maybe one where there is a vacancy because Mr. Parrikar goes to Delhi. It is to be seen whether Pramod Sawant takes it or Mickey takes it. Generally, I don't expect any major changes. Portfolios may have to be reshuffled because the Chief Minister was holding major portfolios like home, finance, town and country planning. So from that perspective, there could be shuffling of portfolios. Otherwise, there would be continuity in the names, except say one.
घेऊया एक विराम.